Hi, my name is Brooklyn Sanderson. My company's name is called SinfoniaRx. It's a company that provides medication therapy management to patients around the US, where I basically called patients and had patients call me, where we talked a lot about their medications that they're currently taking. We did comprehensive medication reviews. It was a lot of really good experience to go over all the medications that I've currently been learning in class. I think the biggest thing that Drake does that prepared me specifically for my internship, honestly, are the CAPS classes that we take right when we come in as pre-pharm majors, where you're taught a lot of ways to have good communication with other healthcare providers, other people that you're going to be meeting in your future. And so I think that is something that really helped me in the application process of my internship, but then also even just in my internship. I mean, I'm talking to patients all day long, and I think that's awesome, and it's really great that I can use those communication skills that I got through Drake and through those pre-pharmacy classes and even my pharmacy classes now. I get to use those communication skills.